Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to run ChatGPT locally. To run ChatGPT locally, we need to download the ChatGPT on our computer. To do that, open a browser and type here ChatGPT for Windows and open the first link here. Scroll down and here you'll find this option ChatGPT for Windows. So click on that to get the ChatGPT installer. Once it's downloaded, you will get this ChatGPT installer on your computer. So double click on it and follow processes to install ChatGPT on your computer. And once it's installed, you will get this ChatGPT here. So now you'll be able to use ChatGPT locally. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.